it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am super excited because this video is my Olaplex routine. My full Olaplex shampoo and conditioner with their products. But I am going to be going through my whole self-care routine with Olaplex. Mine as well. And this video is sponsored by Look Fantastic. So Look Fantastic is a British website and they have hair products, skincare, any type of self-care, beauty, but they are coming to the US, so they did send me these products from Olaplex to help, get their brand out there, their website. So I mean, they have drugstore products to high end. So if you want to shop online for your products, why not go there? I am going to have a coupon code for you all to save money on the products that I'm using today in this video. So let's get right into the products. So first I have Olaplex No.3, and this is the Bond Builder. This is not a conditioner, so it's going to repair your hair from the inside out. And if you have any broken bonds from the environment, products, heat, anything like that, color, it will protect your hair, leave like a new clean slate for your hair to be repaired. The second product is the Olaplex No.6 Bond Smoother. This is a leave-in reparative styling cream, reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects. So you can even use this if you don't have color treated hair. I don't have color treated hair, but I do love this leave-in conditioner, so I'm going to use it. Last, we have the Olaplex No.7 Bonding Oil. Boosts shine, strengthens, and repairs all hair types. It reduces flyaways and frizz, extends color, renews vibrancy, heat protection up to 450. Y'all shouldn't be using that heat anyway, but we're not going to talk about that. Shortens drying time. So it has a lot more benefits, but those are just some of them. And I've never tried this, so I'm super excited to try this. So first, I am going to go in with the Olaplex No.3, so I'm just going to section my hair off. So I'm just going to take about a quarter size amount, and I'm going to do each side. So I'm just going to two-strand twist to lock in the moisture. I like to make sure it's fully saturated and slick. You can see it. So I'm just going to repeat that through the rest of my head. Alright, so now that all that is applied, I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I am back. So I went ahead and rinsed out my hair. Sometimes I'll condition after I do a treatment, but sometimes I won't if I do before. So in this case, already conditioned. So I'm going in with the Olaplex No.6 Bond Smoother Leave-In Conditioner. So you guys, this stuff is so thick, so a little goes a long way. So that's why I'm not parting off today. I'm just gonna do, the two sides. As you can see, there's still a little bit on my hands. So I'll be back with my results. Alright guys, so I am back and my hair does have a slight cast because I wanted to show you how I use the Olaplex No.3 Bonding Oil. I'm so excited. This is just the packaging, like, okay. It smells so good. So here's my hair after. I really needed that Olaplex treatment because it had been a minute. I'm sorry if y'all hear thunder. I don't know what's going on with the weather. It was like sunny, great outside, and now it's raining. But anyway, I got my hair done and I really love how the Olaplex did. Just remember, my code is going to be in the description box and it's going to be on the products I used today, so exclusions do apply, so you can't just go buy like everything and like the discount works. So it's only on these 3 Olaplex things that I used. But yeah, I'm loving the results of my Olaplex treatment, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.